Preeti, behind us is what you see as a mayhem. I have to say this again. Since morning, around like 6:30 a.m., we are on the field, and we didn't sign this kind of. We see this kind of con. All these are like fans, mostly over here, we come across, and the police are finding it extremely difficult to even to control the crowd over there. In fact, this is Busi Anand, the person you see in the white shirt. That is a leader from Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam, who has also accompanied Vijay over here, and they are also waiting for him to cast the vote. Police are also trying to clear the crowd. They are pushing everybody away. Imagine this kind of mayhem we did not see for Vijay. We did not see for Ajit, for any leaders, be it EPS, be it Annamalai, nobody. But here you could see what's happening right now. He is still waiting over there inside in the queue, and the police are trying to cordon. Vijay, just like you mentioned, is the leader of Tamizhaka Vetri Kazhagam. He has only said that he's going to float his party. He floated his party. His actual principles, ideologies are yet to be explained in detail. But he has given away a kind of like a small little explanation as that he's going to fight against corruption and such. But the major aspect is that, yes, he also gave a statement against CAA, but it was also as like neutral as possible. But right now, even after all this, what you see over here is the actual star power Vijay has in Tamil Nadu, Preeti. Absolutely, Akshita. Just like until now, this place was peaceful and quiet, but right now you could see the absolute mayhem as Vijay, what is called as Talabadi by his fans, he's over here to cast his vote. He's here, and you could see that like a major crowd is also like all his fans are here, and police had to push them back to just take him over there. That's the kind of fan frenzy Vijay has at this spot. You could see that. That is Vijay, who's here to cast his vote. We've been told by his team that he has come back from a place in Moscow for a shoot called Goat movie, and post which is over here. His flight was nearly for 14 hours, and that's Vijay that you see on the frame, who has come over here. It has been a serious delay because of the flight, but after that, a 14 hours journey.